GM everyone! Today in this video I will teach you how to prepare coffee like a true barista. To do this you need a scale, a kettle, coffee and water, a bowl, and the filter and its support.
Christoph, what the hell are you doing?
I'm making the new video of the channel.
But I told you we're gonna shoot a video about the Automatic Barista.
Oh.
It's a machine, automatic.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's just get rid of this. Oh my god. GM everyone! Today for this video I'm with Christoph.
GM Quentin, GM everyone.
We're going to talk about the Pour-Over Barista Automatic, a coffee maker which, as the name suggests, will brew coffee like a barista.
I first like to point that it really looks good, it really is pleasant looking.
That's usually the first thing people notice. It's classy. And on top of that, it's quite compact and actually very light. For a coffee machine, that's really nice, and surprisingly, it's a machine that you want to admire and show rather than hide in a corner.
But Quentin, there are plenty of things to do and think of when you prepare a coffee like a barista.
Oh, it's a very ambitious endeavor to reach this with a machine. Everything has been calculated, so each step of the preparation of coffee is reproduced.
Okay, so for instance, is it going to pay attention to the amount of coffee?
Yes, as we'll see when we move to the test, the first thing it does is actually weigh the amount of coffee you put in. It has a built-in scale.
Oh, okay. Handy. And it will manage the infusion at the right temperature?
Here again, it has a smart kettle, which will regulate the temperature of the water, which you can actually modify according to your preference. So.
Okay, well, then does it manage to perform a pre-infusion and such?
Yeah, not only does the water run at an ideal flow, the machine will actually take break, and a first one in particular for the pre-infusion. In addition to that, it will run the water throughout the whole filter and not like at the center point, like other machines, and that's something you can usually only do with a kettle. And it does all this thanks to a double rotating head, as we'll see when we move.
But will it grind the coffee at the last moment?
This is the only weakness of the machine. It does not have a built-in grinder. That is to say, you have to, like the barista for this one, you have a grinder, grind coffee right before launching the machine.
Very well. It's still already very impressive.
Yeah, if you don't have any more questions, we can move on to the test.
Okay, let's go.
All right, so to do that, we'll use a grind intense grinder from Beam. We are aiming for a medium-sized grind for the pour-over method. And see you soon. Once you put the ground coffee in a conical filter, you can put it on the carafe. And as you put it back on the machine, magic, it will show how many grams you have. We have set it for 15 centiliters of water per gram, so we have more than enough water in the tank. All you gotta do at this point is click on the main button and let the program start. Let the show begin.
See you soon.
Coffee is ready. Let's have a taste.
Okay, I will grab some cup.
Perfect. Thanks. So this is the Idze coffee. Washed coffee, should be pretty clean.
Thank you.
Tell me your first impressions.
It's an amazing filter coffee, very deep and very flavorful for coffee made by a machine. Really surprising. I guess you can go back to manual brewing when you start using such a machine.
Well, don't worry, you'll still have to make the how to brew like a barista video. It looked really promising earlier.
Okay.
You can find this machine on our website. You will find its description, its characteristics. Of course, all our coffee is roasted at origin. It is truly the ideal machine to realize the full potential of our coffees.
Thanks everyone for listening. Do not hesitate to share this video, to like it, to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon for a new video.
Bye bye.